Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be going over how to add products for TikTok Shop live selling. So what you want to do is that once you actually have access to your live stream and have added products to your showcase, you want to click on products and then click on add products. And then this is going to be the same exact thing as your showcase. So any of these products you can add to your live stream. So if I click on back, I'll actually show you how to add products to your showcase. You want to go ahead and go to the marketplace and then click on an item. And then once you see this toggle button, you want to click that and then click on the add to showcase button. So your showcase items need to be in your showcase in order for you to actually add products to your live stream. So if you click on the plus button, then scroll over to the right, you'll see that the product that we just added, I've already added it, so it's going to be somewhere down here. It's already down here, okay? So it's the men's cartoon graphic print round neck top. So that's how you actually add products to TikTok Shop live selling. But let me know if you guys have any questions. I'd be more than happy to help out.